Okay, hello. So this is the first thing for your fourth quarter. So this is the notes on the document that says quarter four. So converse of Pythagorean theorem. This is all that's due on Friday, okay? So there's like 3 practice things and then there's a little online test. The online test is the only thing you have to turn in or submit or do. Okay, so here's the directions on how to do it. This is the same problem that's on the worksheet. It's the only Word document in the folder, okay? So this is the video that's on the link that's attached to that. So we're in a happy place. Okay, so the converse of the Pythagorean theorem states that with the Pythagorean theorem, it says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And previously, we had 2 out of the 3 sides. So to find the third side of the right triangle, we use this formula, okay? Now we're using it in reverse. So we're saying, I have 3 sides. Is this a right triangle? Okay, so if we don't have this little symbol right here, and we have a triangle, it looks like a right triangle, but is it a right triangle? So what has to be true is the 2 legs, the sum of the 2 legs squared has to be equal to the hypotenuse squared, okay? In order to figure out which one is the hypotenuse in this situation, it's just the biggest number, okay? So the longest side is always the hypotenuse. The 2 legs don't really matter. One can be A, one can be B, okay? They're interchangeable. So in this case, to test out this formula, we're going to see if this is true. So the hypotenuse is just the longest side, okay? So now we have to plug these in. So let's call the smallest side A. So 4 squared plus 5 squared. Does it equal 7 squared? Is that true? So let's see. 16, so 4 times 4, not 4 times 2, 4 times 4. So 16 plus 25, does that equal 49? If it does, then it's a right triangle. If it doesn't, then it's not a right triangle. That's as easy as it is. So 16 plus 25, 5 plus 6 is 11. So this is 41. 41 does not equal 49, so this is not a right triangle. That's all you're doing. You're just taking the 3 sides and plopping them into the formula. And the only one that matters is C. The longest side is always the hypotenuse, which is always C. So that's the one you're going to put here. In the past, we've done it like C squared equals A squared plus B squared. It doesn't matter. These are the same exact thing. They're just flipped over, okay? So watch this as many times as you need to. Complete the practice sheet just so you know how to do it. If you have questions on the practice sheet, that's when you want to contact me during office hours, okay? Or schedule class meeting video, okay? All right, good luck. Bye.